My latest TJ Maxx haul. Got things from Anastasia, Beverly Hills, Jaclyn Cosmetics, Milk, and more. Hello, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel. Basically, things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, every now and then, I go into TJ Maxx or Marshall's just to see what I can find in the makeup bin. Now, a word of warning, if you go there, I'm sure you've heard this before, you need to test everything you get, make sure it's not been opened or played with, but you can find some really good deals there. This trip was no exception. One of my favorite brands, Anastasia, Beverly Hills, I got several great items. I also got some eye mask, I got a highlighter from Jaclyn Cosmetics, and a really unique new product from Milk. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate most of these and just let you know more. Well, the first item from my TJ Maxx haul that I've got to try is this Unicorn Glow Hydrating Foundation. I have to admit, I was not familiar with the brand. It is made in Korea, designed in New York, no unicorn harmed, cruelty-free. And this is the little tube of foundation. And let's check it out. They only had 2 colors, but one of them seemed to work for me. So let's see how it actually works on the face. I mean, so far, no complaints, like the way it goes on. Yeah, so far, Unicorn Glow, it does have a little bit of a glow, and so far I'm liking it pretty much. It is it calls it a medium to full coverage long wear foundation that naturally covers flaws while creating a dewy and luminous glow. Okay, and it has ceramide, collagen, and hyaluronic acid in it. Next thing I'm trying is this item from Milk. I have found Milk at TJ Maxx before. I like the brand a lot. This is called the Kush Fiber Brow Gel. It apparently actually has fibers to thicken your brows. So I'm going to try this for the first time right now. And here is what it comes out as. This does seem to have more filler than your typical brow gel, but it doesn't allow you to do quite the detailing, penciling in that a pencil would. So it definitely adds to the fullness of the brows. Now, I did also get this brow kit. This was $17, originally $24, $32 value. I'm not going to open this right now. I'm going to just put it right in my travel kit. This is the Anastasia starter kit. It has smaller versions of all of the products that I love. So this is going to go in my travel kit. Now, also from Anastasia, I found 2 palettes. This is the ABH Novena collection, and this is the Sugar Glow Kit. This is in this like metal tin. Oops, no. And a lot of really bright primary colors. I'm just going to create one look. I know I can have a lot of fun playing with this palette, but today I'm just going to create a nice soft look. I think I'm going to use some of these corals and peaches. Let's start with this E3 down here. This sort of a coral base. This has a lot of color, very heavily pigmented. And for lining, it doesn't really have a black in here, but it does have a lot of nice dark shades. So I think I'll just go ahead and use E2 as a liner. Now I think I'm going to accent a little bit in the corners with, let's go in with this C3, just sort of a terracotta type of color. And yeah, that goes nicely in the corners. Now I do think I want to soften this orange a little bit and add a little shimmer. So I'm going to do that with this color called D5. And just blend that all together. And it does just that. It adds shimmer and it overall softens the look. Yeah, I'm liking this palette. There's so many different color stories you can tell with this. And it was on sale at TJ Maxx. All right, I did my mascara off camera as well as my lips. I'm going to put everything I used, the link down below, but let's get back to what else I got from TJ Maxx. All right, this is the Glow Kit. So, I'm looking at this gumdrop. It's sort of the pinkest of the bunch, so I'm going to use a little bit of that on the main part of my cheeks. This butterscotch is maybe a little bit more bronzing, so let's start that around the jawline and under the cheekbones. And a little more gumdrop. And then these two light colors, Marshmallow and Stardust. Let's take a little bit of that, put like under the brow line here. And maybe up right above the cheekbones, a touch or two. Okay. I still think I might need a little bit more pink. I'm going to just take a little bit of this e.l.f. stick and just give me a little more pink here. Yeah, so this doesn't really add a lot of color, but it is a really good highlighter. And yeah, if you find one at TJ Maxx, grab it. I did also found this from Jaclyn Cosmetics. This is another highlighter. I really like her brand, and particularly in the highlighters. So I decided to pick it up, even though I didn't really need one. This one's called Mesmorized, and this is just the basic highlighter. So I'm going to just add a little bit of this on top of everything else. Just really want to glow today, yeah. Okay. And the final thing I purchased from TJ Maxx was this Under Eye Wrinkles No More, Danielle Creations. This is just another hydrogel under eye mask. I use these about roughly every 2 or 3 days in the morning before getting ready, putting on any makeup. And I do think it really does help brighten and depuff the area under my eyes a little bit. So yep, that's the latest TJ Maxx hauls. Didn't buy any clothes this time, just things from the cosmetics department. But I think I did get some really good deals. So that's the video for today. If you liked it, could you give me the thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.